What's your name?
My name is Malaika.
How old are you?
I am 8 years old. I'm gonna be 9 next month.
Alright, cool. I heard you can solve Rubik's Cube.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Just wait a second. I need to give it a mix. Hold this like this. So I'm gonna go. Okay. Where do you live?
I live in Norway, in Oslo.
Oh, you're an Oslo girl.
Yeah.
Cool. You think it's a good shuffle now?
Yeah.
It's a good mix?
Mm.
You sure you can solve this?
Yeah.
Alright, come here. Take this one. Start solving.
Now I'm finished.
Wow, show me all the sides.
Yellow, green, red, blue, and orange and white.
Solved within 2 minutes. That's awesome. You know what? Let me turn around. Turn around. I don't want you to see this. I'm gonna give this one more shuffle. And I'm gonna here. It's done. So I want you to see this cube, put it behind your back, and solve with your back. Can you do that?
I think so.
Let's try.
How many was it?
4.
4. If I know if this is right, I think this is gonna be right. Almost.
Almost. Oh, that's cool. That's cool.
It was just that. In
Yeah,
the middle.
that's cool. Give me a high five for this one. Cool. High five. Cool. All right, say bye.